Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a dynamic camera bounce effect sync perfectly to the music beat in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. I have already imported some footages onto my timeline which I downloaded from Pexels along with the music beat. First, create an adjustment layer. Go to the project panel, click the new item button and select adjustment layer. Now drag it above your clip on the timeline. Right click the adjustment layer on your timeline. Choose speed and duration and set the duration to 5 frames. This will ensure precise timing for each beat. Next, head to effect panel and search for transform. Now drag it onto your adjustment layer. This effect will give us control over the scaling and motion of the clip. Now, go to the effect control panel, move the playhead to the start of the adjustment layer and click the stopwatch icon next to scale to set a keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few frames, set another keyframe and then change the scale value to 140. Drag the second keyframe to the middle of the adjustment layer for a smooth bounce effect. Then adjust the shutter angle under transform to 360 to add motion blur for a polished look. Now, move the adjustment layer to align with the beat you want to emphasize. Add the effect to multiple beats. Hold down Alt or Option on the Mac. Click the adjustment layer and drag it to duplicate it. Repeat this for each beat you want to sync the bounce. And that's it. You have created a smooth, dynamic camera bounce effect perfectly synced to the music. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video editing tips. I'll see you in the next video.
Deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over.